selling weed for a living. Yeah, they call me my lord, cause I'm the best supply in the block. Then bavuka bafile, setwela mazombi. I feel like I'm in a move, I'm making money moves. I'm stacking rands on top of rands. I already see myself as a multi-millionaire one day. Suge tuze wami ugcwele i-hatred. Man, I hate that. Uza Amanzi unale ndaba zakho. Baby imoto yami ihamba Amanzi. Ngicela Amanzi, ngicela Amanzi. Ntwana sengiyazibona ngiphila my dream life. Ngiphethe i-dream car.
Success, abundance upon my life.
Shogis.